And or welcome back to the channel. Today we have a package just came in. I bet half of y'all can already guess what this is, but let's open it up and see for those of y'all that don't know. This video is going to just be a short and sweet sit down video, little how-to here. So as you can tell, Boost Auto Parts was fortunate enough to give me a discount to go ahead and do this video for y'all. So what do we have here? We have a packing slip and we have a new style key fob. For those of y'all that don't know, Boost just came out with this key fob. It is the 14 and up new style key fob for anywhere from 99 to 13, which is the latest one, or the latest model with the old key fobs. Okay, so as you can tell, looks literally just like a new one. There's a logo right there. It's a great upgrade. The price on these are about $40, okay? And the difference, so with they do a line that does not have the remote start for trucks that weren't factory equipped with the remote start, but mine is, so I went ahead and got the one with the remote start. It's got the horn, lock, unlock. So Boost calls that it is under 3 minutes to install this and make it work. So let's put that to the test and make sure that they're right. Alright guys, so before I went over the install procedure, I want to go ahead and compare the new style key fob, Boost key fob, to the old style like this. This key fob is from 07 to 13 and some 14 models, but you can obviously tell a big difference in luxury, how it looks, and the buttons even feel just like brand new ones. My dad has a new style truck and I love the feel of his remote, or of his key fob, so it is definitely a good upgrade for those of y'all that do not like this one. Alright, so let's go ahead and start our timer here. So we're gonna want to start our truck up, and then we're gonna want to make sure that all doors are unlocked. Okay, so unlocked, and then we're gonna want to go to press this button until it says relearn remote key. Okay, so you want to press this. This says remote key learning active. So just gonna set that here. So what we're gonna want to do now is hold the lock and unlock at the same time for up to 30 seconds. Normally you'd be able to hear it chirp, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold it for 30 seconds. My truck does not have the chimes because of the aftermarket radio. It takes it off with the adapter, harness, and all that, so I do not have that, but we'll see. I'm gonna hold it for 30 seconds, see if it works. Should be about long enough. Yep, so let's see here. Unlock all of them, lock, unlock. So yeah, it works, and that was literally under a minute and a half. Let's get out and make sure that the remote start works. So with this body style, you're gonna want to lock, hit the horn twice, and then hold that. Yep, there it is. Alright guys, so that's pretty much everything you needed to know about this key fob. I give it a 10 for 10. $40 from Boost Auto Parts. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and they do YouTube videos also, if I didn't explain it good enough for you or whatever. But that install procedure goes from 07 to 13. It will be different for the 03 to 07 and then before that. So, but yeah, key fob 10 for 10. Thank you, Boost Auto Parts, for supplying me with this, and I hope y'all have a great day. And also, before I went on, I wanted to say that I plan on, from now on, posting videos every week on Thursday at probably around 6 o'clock. That's about it. I want to thank y'all for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. I appreciate y'all's support. Y'all have a great day. Thank y'all.